Hey, welcome everyone in this new video tutorial about Diablo dungeon generation. In this video we are going to fix several bugs. I checked out in a copy of the project how to fix the different bugs we had. We actually still had a bug about calculating the number of steps to start, and we also had our old end tile bug. So we're first going to fix our start steps to start bug. So the bug happens when we still have miscalculations about the steps to start. So I'm going to close all tabs. In our generate level function, in our calculate steps to start function, we are actually reducing steps to start around. We're going in that function. And in this function, we're adding the steps to recheck. We're adding the tile we're reducing to the steps to recheck. And we're actually going to take all the tiles around this one. And we're going to we're actually going to add all of these tiles. This is actually in our previous case when we were adding this tile to the recheck. We're also going to add this one and this one and this one to make sure it recalculates everything properly. So we're actually looping through the locations around the steps to recheck, and we're going to add these to the steps to recheck. So this is fixing a bug I did not see in the previous video. So regarding the end tile bug, we have two things to fix. So we have to create a temporary variable in one spot, and in the other spot we have to step back in case we do not find a location to put our end tile. So it looks like such a setup. If the dungeon generates tiles like this and the last tile is this one, so this is 80, 22, 23, 24. If the last tile placed is this one, we get an error and we have to step back to find a location for our end tile which is not at that location. So we have the first thing is the temporary variable. So in our add end tile to layout function, in here we are getting a random location and we are fitting that to our starting location, and we plugged two wires, and actually each time a wire is called it re-rolls the random, and we don't want to re-roll the random. We want to store the random location we found, and we want to use that. Excuse me. So we want to get our random found location. We want to plug that in here. We want to hit compile. We want to hit save. And then in here we are trying to find a random next location around the tile with the furthest, which is the furthest away from our start tile. And if we don't find a spot around it, we are throwing an error. Where, well, in that case, we actually want to re-roll that function. So we're actually going to say we want a local variable, which is going to be step back, steps, end tile step back, which is going to be an int. And we're going to delete the debug function. We're going to say we increment the number of step back, and we actually rerun the function all along. So this is kind of ugly once again, but we do not care for now. excuse me. So we want to use that number to say, hey, instead of getting the furthest tile, we want to get the furthest tile minus n tile step back. And this way we shall not have any errors for when spawning the n tile. So this is it for this bug fixing video. Hope you guys liked it and hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.